Today I'll show how to buy shares of Creative Medical Technology Holdings, Inc., a medical technology company trading on NASDAQ under the ticker CELZ. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will usually need to verify your identity with a government ID and add funds to your account. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CELZ to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry that matches Creative Medical Technology Holdings, Inc. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it's the correct stock. Check the listing details and trading symbol one more time before proceeding. To place an order, enter the amount you want to invest. Choose the order type, then review and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens. If your available balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. Once the trade fills, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft CTA. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this walkthrough.